Good morning, guys. Happy Monday, guys. Hope everyone is doing good over here. Yes, giving up the 36 level, guys. She's giving it up. You guys have any tickers? Post them in here. We'll start in the next 1 minute, guys. Boy, dropping. Yes. Nasdaq is stronger this morning, I would say, guys. Than the yes, the YM is weak. Could be the BA that's the dropping with the YM today. BA is weak. I cut BA, guys. Shares. All right, let's start this, guys. Mic test. Can you guys hear me? All right, let's get this started, guys. All right. Big move on ES, guys. Friday. We got some data coming out this week. We have some PMI coming out, ISM, and then we have Powell speaking, Jolts on Wednesday, um, jobless claim. Again, Powell speaking. So we have a couple of bond auctions. So we have a lot of stuff happening this week, guys. So just be careful with this week. All right, we got some earnings. Nothing that I'll be watching crazily. Maybe I'll watch Target tomorrow. CrowdStrike, of course, that's my baby. JD, maybe. I'm not sure what you're gonna do. Costco, of course, and Broadcom. That's the important ones that I'll be watching. Maybe Doku and Mongo also, right? That's also a very big one to watch. Marvel also a big one to watch. Yeah? A couple of good ones over here on Thursdays. Thursday night, AVGO, Costco, Marvel. It could be a good semi run over here. All right, let's start off, guys. Big move, guys. Right now, we came to 41. We made to 41, 48 was target last week. We came to 49, made a high over there. Right now, basically, 41.36 is the 78% fib levels from the bottom and the top warrior. And now that we're not holding it, possible coming to this zone warrior. I would think it could be a base zone, guys, or your possible base around this zone over here. So let's watch this 40, 51.23, what she's going to do over there. Are we going to base over there or not? Right? That's what I'll be watching this morning. So yes, let me pick up NASDAQ now. All right. Oh, load up, boy, load up. All right, NASDAQ, guys, same thing. I have some fib levels over here. We made a new highs, also a big push, and came into that zone over here. I have a little bit of a mini zone over here that I made that I want to watch, see if she holds the pre-market over here. If not, she could possibly come over here in the drop and watch this trend line. If this trend doesn't hold, could back come into this earlier breakout level, right? This was resistance, 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 right? Now, if we come back and base from 18144, that's where I would like to go long again, right? That's going to be a retest from that breakout. So if we come over here and retest with this zone, that will be how we go along over there, guys. That'll be the retest that I'll look for. Let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, guys, the big flag that we had last week, Sunday, Monday, we spoke about it, and then from there, and now we flagged again in the weekend. We spoke about it yesterday as a flag. I thought maybe this would just keep continuing flagging a little bit more, but it broke out over here in the night. And now I want to see hold at least the 65,000 above, right? I want to see close above the 65, maybe on a daily chart, on a 4-hour chart. And then I will say, okay, this breakout is still valid up here. If not, then possible we come back to this level, the 61,000-ish. And then I would say, hey, that's where we can try to go along again on coin kind of names, right? So let's see if that's going to happen or not. If we come back and hold this zone over here, that would be a play that I'll be looking to play. Maybe coin, MSTR, or one of those names. Yes, not looking good for now. Looking that she wants to come to 51.23. Let's watch the Russell. So Russell, guys, this morning she was a little bit more stronger than the other ones. I would watch this 2082-ish. If we can come back over there, it'll be that A, the B pattern over there for another leg up. This 5097, 2031.7 be a key resistance, guys. I've been talking about this. Watch this in a weekly chart. You're going to see it very clearly. This was a big resistance back in the day over here. Sorry, big support, and then gave back, became a resistance. Now we're coming back into that zone, right? So be careful from this zone, guys. Same thing with IWM, guys. Same chart, guys. I posted a chart this morning, so use that chart. Let's talk about Apple, POS. All right, Apple, guys. Weak. Lately, been very weak. This morning again, she's been weak with the market coming. She has been weak, not holding. But I would still watch this level, guys. It's 176 support over here. Is 176. See if that doesn't hold. If that doesn't hold, possible come all the way into 165-ish, guys. Yeah, she's been very weak, guys. So just and she's not been participating in the market. She is going market is going up. So this keeps me very like thinking about, okay, you know what is the market gonna do? Are we gonna keep grinding upside with Apple going lower? But the semis are hot, guys. If the semis are hot, market is going to keep ripping, guys. Just remember that, guys. Semis have been taking the market up in 2000 now, you could say, 2024, 2023. 2022, semis were taking the market down. If you go look at Nvidia and all the semi stocks, see how they took a drop. Um, they took so semis is the leading indicator, leading stuff to watch the market, guys. All right, let's talk about Amazon. So Amazon holding pretty well, guys. What's in the 4-hour chart? So after the big earnings, held pretty well, has this gap to fill, didn't fill the gap, held the zone pretty well. Let me just extend this one. All right. Holding held the zone pretty well, held this thing coming into resistance now, guys. Gotta break this resistance. Once we break this resistance, then we can go to all-time highs at 188-ish. Got to break this 179.80-ish and hold, guys. All right. So that's what I'll be watching. I'm not going to be playing this into resistance. If we can break out and hold, that's where I would like to go long. Or if we can come back to that 171, 172 zone, maybe there I'll pick up again. That's a good place to go long again there. Yeah. Based over here, boom, that was a resistance. Support turns into support. So we come back there, that'll be a good place. Maybe also this high over here at 175, right? Okay, I'm going to talk about AMD. Beautiful chart, beautiful, sexy trade that we had, guys. Lock in profits in the morning, guys. We got some upgrades and everything. 194.35, guys. If that comes back, that's going to be a support. If AMD comes back, guys, AMD's nature is this, guys. Let me tell you guys, AMD's nature. When AMD comes back at this level, guys, don't hesitate, right? You got to buy at those pre-test levels on AMD on breakouts. And if this holds, you're good. If it doesn't hold, cut the trade, right? Maybe this can be a $300 stock. I don't know. But I know that in these pullbacks, that's where I would enter again if you guys want to enter for long term or short long term trade shares. All right, AMD. What we have over here? Nvidia. I mean, nothing much to talk about Nvidia, guys. Right, Nvidia making new highs. It comes back to 823. Nvidia's doing the same, makes new highs. You retest the highs, makes new highs, holds. So this was another high that she made over here, came and held. So Nvidia does that, guys. Comes back to retest high. So right now, if she comes back and pays at 823, 825 ish, that's where you want to take her long again. Mhm. Qualcomm over here, guys, just marked it out because Qualcomm is beautiful breaking out up here. This is a nice breakout. If we get a retest at this level, that's where you want to take a long again, guys. This is going to be a big resistance coming into here. So if we get a retest at 163-ish, that's where I want to take a long, right? Qualcomm. Let's talk about Tesla now. So Tesla, guys, I think it's had some Chinese news today or with some China news or something, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I uploaded that. So this is comes to a big support zone, right? So what is Tesla doing right now is basically going to resistance, coming to support, going to resistance, coming to support, going to resistance, coming to support, going to resistance, going to support. So if you want, guys, right now, buy Tesla. When it doesn't hold, you cut the trade. Easy as that, right? If you want, buy right now Tesla, and this could happen. Okay. But remember, guys, there's some negative news. Tesla's bear flag in a bigger time frame. This could also happen on Tesla, guys, this morning, right? You're zoning, zoning, boom, maybe do this now, right? Maybe in that zone, if we get this, that's where you want to look, right? If we give away the zone, guys, 198.23 and 26 in the morning, retest that level, that's where you want to short it into 194. If you hold over here, then maybe you want to take a long, right? Two good scenarios in Tesla right now in the morning. She's been a shitty stock to trade. If you're in between over here, you're gonna get murdered. But right now, she's a key level to watch it. All right, that's Tesla. Let's finish up with SMCI, guys. I don't see you guys posted any charts, any tickers. Yes, you guys are good. So SMCI, she was been chilling last few days. Thursday we got a nice move on the semis. She also came into resistance and then just chill, and then Friday, end of the day, she just made this massive move upside, right? Um, coming into this resistance, broke out, and now we came and retested that level, guys, in the morning. If you didn't get in the morning, if you didn't get in, and you wanted to get in SMCI, this was your entry, guys. 1,006. You should have woken up early in the morning to get this stock and took your 40 points upside. Right now, coming into resistance, guys. So just watch out, right? Watch out. This could be just also right now, maybe play into this, but I would expect this to just break out and go. Not sure, but be careful with this 1,078, 1,100 zone. Next one, I just want to talk about the last one that just keep an eye on this one on a side chart, guys, is ARM. Just keep an eye on this one. She's holding very, very, very well, guys. Right? She could be just out of the blue, just break out and go. Just keep an eye on her. All right, boys. That's it for me. Hope you guys have a good day. Remember, guys, a lot of data coming out this week. So it could be a flag day, could be just a bull day, sideways action, taking profits very quick. It could be a base hit day, guys. Not looking for home runs today at all. Right? Have a great day, guys.